Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can change your display name on tagged application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your tagged application. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture on the top left corner of your screen. Onto this My Profile section, tap on the pencil icon on the right side. Click on Display Name. Type any name that you want. Tap on Save on the top right corner of your screen. And that is how you can easily change your name on tagged application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming video.